meghalayapost.news.
Sorkar nekasni kala Mynjur Ïaka Meghalaya Phlim tourism policy arpau atsan kani kalungkum si bentaban kintiu Ïaka Nongshna Phlim hapo Haka Jylla benplong Ïaka Meghalaya kum ka jaka pedeng banshna Ïaka Phlim hapo ka than chatai lamingi apapin bana Ïaka ni umentri ka tanap tourism uba polling do ulaong baka Meghalaya Phlim tourism policy arpau atsan kan ai ka Jingkyrshan ka bakwat Haduh si Klur lani atsan person na ka jingpenlut Ïaka Phlim syakitu ki Phlim kipapendon kam da kiktian bakran bun pat apo kari bat ka pertai kabaka jing ring Ïaki Phlim kadi banlong nyupsan person uba pol ula pentip baka sorkar kan sathaw Ïaka Phlim facilitation sel kabanwan rakyat ka jing yatri lang hapteng katanat ka sorkar bentuk katanat jengok kai arts culture ban di IPR ula yathu syu bahaki bnai baladem ka sorkar kalawan ra Ïaka draft Meghalaya Phlim tourism policy arpo opsan haka baka sorkar kalapan ni ka jing ajing mut na barok ki kunhun ki badan benta haka ni kakam aba bendrap syu menteri ula ong menta ka sini lawan ra Ïaka policy hapo ka jing yalang ka kunhun menteri kaladon ka jing yakren ka basani baha bat hadian ka kunhun menteri kala ai ka jing Mynjur Ïaka policy kani kadai ka sinjam ka bakrau ban pinti kena bangin play Ïaka Meghalaya hakar kom ka bahe baha lembaga film tourism kini ka jing Nongshna Phlim ka Jylla ong uba pol ulayat hu syu bakani ka policy kan penslur Ïaka jing penmi film haki kerdan national ban international bat ru ban penlong Ïaka Meghalaya kum ka jaka banshna film haki thansha tailam mingi nasmo komen ban pentip syapi ong uba pol baki nong penmi film haka kitian khasi penar bat garu kin yo Ïaka Jingkyrshan dasan paulang Ïaka baki Nongshna Phlim kila ban yo Ïaka ni ka jing yarap hisian haman ka artsnem
decision. I'm glad to share with you that the cabinet today has approved the Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy 2025. You may recall that about 3 months back, the state government, in the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister and myself, had released the Meghalaya Draft Film Tourism Policy 2025, where we had given a clarion call to all stakeholders to come forward, study the draft, and give us their valuable inputs. We are happy to share with you that we received over 200 such inputs from various stakeholders who are interested in the film industry, and more especially from local film makers and film producers. So having taken the various inputs and incorporated the same in this policy, today we brought the policy before the cabinet. There was a very detailed and intense discussion, after which the cabinet had approved this policy. Now, in the first place, why was there a need for this policy? The Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy seeks to focus on the fact that Meghalaya has huge potential to attract filmmakers from across the world. We would like to promote national and international films, media productions, also to establish Meghalaya as a hub for film making in the Northeast, and to develop a robust infrastructure for across the state. Now, as part of this policy, we have structured an agency to be called a Film Facilitation Cell, which will include representatives and officers from various agencies and departments, where the Department of Tourism, Arts and Culture, the IPR, will synergize their efforts and ensure that we are able to work in tandem to project Meghalaya as a major destination for movies, both regional, national, and even international. So we will share these details with you. You can go through the policy, but briefly, what we have decided is to incentivize filmmaking in Meghalaya, where various slabs of movies will receive support through subsidies. For instance, I'll just give you one example where films made in major national languages and even international languages, which have the potential to push Meghalaya's tourism sector, will receive subsidy support of up to 1 crore rupees or 25% of the total cost of the film. And to qualify for that, they need to have at least 75% of the total shooting days within the state of Meghalaya, and that too outdoors, meaning they should depict, project our natural beauty and tourism destinations, both known and unknown. We also are supporting local cinema, and I'm happy to share with you that local film producers in Khasi-Panar and Garo languages will be allocated subsidy support of 50 lakhs, for which each filmmaker will avail this incentive once every 2 years. There will also be support for the making and production of TV serials and shows, web series and original shows to be displayed on OTT platform. You may be aware that we have our own Hello Meghalaya app, which is the only government-funded OTT platform in the country. There will be grants for documentary films shot in Meghalaya, grants for short films shot in Meghalaya, financial subsidy and infrastructure development. We are also coming up with a film studio, and all of these various interventions will be scrutinized at the level of this committee, which I had mentioned to you, the Film Facilitation Cell. So I would request all of you to kindly obtain copies of this policy and also disseminate this information to the general public.
meghalayapost.news